Welcome friends. I am Dr. S. Megla, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Now I am going to talk about mushroom. Mushroom are most ancient, best known and greatly admired fleshy macrofungi. Mushroom are the fleshy fungi which constitute a major group of lower plant kingdom. Mushroom is the conspicuous umbrella shaped fruiting body. Popularly, the term of mushroom is used to identify the edible sporospores. Mushroom are fruiting body of various species of fungi. They are eaten raw or used to add flavor to dishes. First one, mushroom biology. The biological science concerned with fungi is called mycology. Mushroom biology is the branch of mycology deals with mushroom. Mushroom biology is a new discipline concerned with any aspects of scientific study of mushroom such as taxonomy, physiology, genetic, etc. Second one, applied mushroom biology. Applied mushroom biology is concerned with all aspects of applications of mushroom biology. It consists of three main components. First one, mushroom science, mushroom biotechnology. Third one, mushroom mycorestoration. First one, mushroom science deals with the mushroom cultivation and productions and encompasses the principles of mushroom biology, composting technology and environmental technology. Mushroom biotechnology is concerned with mushroom product and encompasses the principles of mushroom biology, fermentation technology and bioprocess. The third components of applied mushroom biology is mushroom mycorestorations, which are concerned with the beneficial impacts of mushroom on the environment and encompasses principles of mushroom biology, ecology and bioremediation technology. Classifications of mushroom. First one, structural classification. The structure that we call as mushroom is only the fruiting body of fungus. The vegetative part of fungus is called as mycelium. After a period of a growth and under favorable conditions, it's a favorable condition for low temperature moisture content. The established means is a matured mycelium. It's a mycelium could be produce the fruit structure which we call the mushroom. The conditions which induce the mycelium to produce the fruiting body are called as triggers. Triggers means to make something happen suddenly. Mushroom can be grouped into four categories. First one, edible mushroom. Second one, medicinal mushroom. Third one, poisonous mushroom. Fourth one, other mushroom. First one, edible mushrooms are those which are fleshy and edible. Second one, medicinal mushroom which are considered to have a medicinal application. Third one, the poisonous mushrooms are those proven to be or suspected of being poisonous. Fourth one, other mushrooms, a miscellaneous category which include a large number of mushrooms whose properties remain less well defined. Second one, ecological classification. Mushroom can be ecologically classified into three categories. First one, saprophytes. Second one, parasites. Third one, mycorrhiza. First one, saprophytes. It obtains nutrient from dead organic materials through decomposition. Second one, parasites. It derived the food substance from living plants and animals, causing harm to the host. It's a third one, mycorrhiza. It's a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic means both are beneficials. It is a beneficial relationship between fungi and plant roots of higher plants, which each partner enjoys some vital beneficial from others. This image shows that structure of mushroom. Edible and poisonous mushroom. There are many traditional methods for testing, but they are unreliable. It was believed that ant mushroom, which are grown in rotten egg, serpent holes, termite mound, and tree produce poisonous fruits are not edible. The belief was prevalent that edible fungi peeled off easily and did not change a silver spoon black while cooking. Also believed that brightly colored mushrooms are poisonous, whereas white or creamy one was edible. But all these beliefs are incorrect. For example, Catharonthus cypress Trichoderma nudens. It's a bright color and safe to eat. It's a second one, Amantina palladius, Amantina verna. It's a white color but deadly poisonous. Sometimes two mushrooms may possess a morphologically close resemblance, but one may be edible and other may not be edible. Lipoidea margoni, it's a poisonous. Lipoida rhachidus, it's a edible. It's a some common edible mushrooms: straw, oyster, common, roundhead, stick, ear, winter, white jelly, nemco. It's a mainly used to the agaricus species. Identifications of mushroom. Successful identifications of wild mushrooms requires a basic knowledge of structures of fungi and of the way in which they live. A fresh fruiting bodies is much easier to identify than pickled. It is a preservation in formalin or a dried one. A good reference material, usually a book with color, pictures of different mushrooms known is the basic requirements. It's using the reference, it is the essential that one known some specific characteristics such as first one, size, color and consistency of the cap and stalk. Second one, mode of attachment of the gills to the stalk. Third one, spore color in moss. Fourth one, chemical test or reaction. The key life cycle stages for fungi are as follow: vegetative growth of mycelium in the substance, reproduction growth when the fruit bodies are formed. Third one, productions of spores by the fruiting bodies. Thank you.